Welcome guys to yet another episode on my channel Explore Aftab. So today I'm starting this vlog from Punjab. I was here at my father's house and now we are living in our brand new car Tata Altroz towards Uttarakhand, which is 600 kilometers, our home at Uttarakhand, and we'll be taking more than 12 hours. So that's the house, that's the senior car standing there, and this is the new one. And as you can see, it's totally fogged up. The time is 6:50. So let's join in the ride, in the trip. Let's see you inside the car. So we have reached Jalandhar, having a tea break. Super. It's very foggy. Hardly you can see any 50 meters or 100 meters. It's very dense fog. And we are right now passing through Khanna. And that's driving. Many people are going towards the Singhu border for the farmer protest, so a lot of trolleys and traffic is there.
Bus nikal.
So father is enjoying the new vehicle. He is a regular commuter on this road. At least many times he have covered this distance on our first vehicle. The car is completely, the boot is completely filled up. There's another box here. Infotainment system is good. Android Auto is in between, it's lagging. The map is lagging. We are not able to recenter, or it is sometimes get offbeat. Otherwise the audio and other things are good. English level I think is good. The expert driver will tell you. Engine noise है?
बहुत ज़्यादा
हल्के मामले से. तो आप 100 पे जाएंगे तो उतना तो आएगी. So we have approaching Karnal. Hardly 20 kilometers left. The vehicle is giving a very good mileage of 19 for a new vehicle which has total odometer reading of 356 km. So out of that, this trip we have covered 258 kilometers. So only 100 kilometers was run before the trip. So we have stopped here. What's the name? Haveli. There's a Burger King. It's a Hat Burger, and next we will be heading back. We'll be having our burger in the car itself. So this is one of the langars. There are many langars along the highway. If you just stop for a fuel break, you can have a langar. This is for the passengers, the farmers which are going towards the Singhu border. You can support them, but it's a great service to the people. So we are connecting to the Eastern Peripheral Expressway, EP in short, and this will lead to Kundli, and we have to go to Muradabad. Vansuri will leave the expressway, and this is the western to
ईस्टर्न ट्रेवल छोड़ेंगे.
Yes.
आगे तो रोड हाईवे है ही.
So, toll gate, and we will be entering in the cash section. Give cash and we'll move ahead. So on the last toll, they will only give you a slip, which while you exit from this peripheral, you have to pay based on your distance traveled. So if you have to take to Baghpat, exit 1, Now we are in Uttar Pradesh, going towards Muradabad. We have stopped at Shiva Dhaba and we'll be having tea and some snacks. I think we have covered more than 400 kilometers, 450 kilometers. It's getting cold now as the time is 16:26. So continue towards Muradabad and then towards Rudrapur. So let's see you at. So we are approaching Garhmukteshwar and there's a river bank of river Ganga. So like those who go to Haridwar, those who are not able to go there, this is also one of the places where funeral is done, cremation is done, and Pinddan is done. And now we have 141 kilometers left to cover. We have already covered 523, so another 3 hours and we'll be home. So this is the night view of the cabin, and still you can see, I think it's showing good mileage, and with complete heater on throughout the day. Mileage of 18.6 is coming. 562 kilometers covered, 103 kilometers left, and this is how it looks. That's the boat lamp. Having gajar ka halwa and tea before we reach home. Around 45 kilometers left. So we are outside the Rampur railway station and having gajar ka halwa. The trip has come to end and we have totally covered 668.5 kilometers. Let me show you the details. So that's the detail. I hope you can see. That's, yes, 668.5 kilometers. 18.2 is the mileage and the time taken was 12 hours. It is a trip time, I think. It has taken breaks have not been included, just 1.5 hours of break, and overall good thing. So the handling is good, the suspensions are great. Somewhere the pulling power was questionable at some places. It was too fog in the morning and in the evening. Just now 40 kilometers was very rough patch. Suspensions were great. With this I would like to end the video. Thank you, thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. Take care.